Good morning, everyone. I'm your advisor for the day, and our topic is about advantages and disadvantages of SMAO. First, we have an objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to explain the advantages and disadvantages of SMAO. Value the advantages and disadvantages of SMAO. Enumerate the advantages and disadvantages of SMAO. So, First, have you had any idea about advantages and disadvantages of SMAO? So, let's define what is the meaning of SMAO. So, what is SMAO? SMAO is a form of arc welding that uses covered consumable metal electrode to shield the weld. The electrode is covered in a flux coating that melts as the weld is lit, thereby releasing a vapor that protects the weld from atmospheric contamination. Because of the primacy of the metal introduced, the term stick welding is often used to refer to SMAO. So, make a Venn diagram and differentiate the advantages and disadvantages of SMAO. Kana siya kay kuan na siya. Magbuhat mo og diagram, i-differentiate niyo ang advantages and disadvantages sa SMAO. So next, money siya. Sa next slide, man ang the advantages of SMAO. SMAO has many great advantages, which make it a continuing staple in most industrial settings. These advantages include relatively relatively simple equipment. Second, most portable of welding processes. No need more separate gas shielding. Can be used in a wide range of environments including outdoors and fabrication shops, on pipelines and refineries, on ships and bridges, and more. It's not sensitive to wind and draft. When suited for a wide variety of commonly used metals and alloys. Can be powered with gasoline or diesel in remote areas without electrical connections. Equipment and knowledge of techniques are already widely in place in most industrial settings. Advantages of small, lower equipment costs than GTAO, FCAO, and GMAO. No battle gas, hose, flow meter, anti-grig, or wire feeder needed. Yun siya magamit og mga pareha sa GTAO, FCAO, o GMAO. Quick change from one material to another. So, dali ra sa maka-ilis. Prasa na mag-ilis yung electrode. Stick welding naman na itong gamit. The process lends itself to welding and provides space and various positions with a few problems. The position rates faster than GTAO manual. Dali pa siya ka sa GTAO. Easy to move from one location to another, no wire feeder and battle. Some special electrodes are made for cutting or gouging. Requires no outside shielding gas and can be used outdoors in light to medium wind. Magamit ito sa gawas. The ability to bend the electrode and the small space the electrode takes allows the process to be used in comparatively tight space. However, keep in mind that for some jobs, one of the other process may also work or even work better. The FCAS self-shield process can weld with a very long electrode short stick out. Then, the disadvantages of SMAO. Ano siya mga disadvantages? SMAO has some great advantages, but there are of course also disadvantages, which may not make it the best choice for certain projects. Some of the disadvantages includes is not automated and thus usually has lower productivity rates than automated processes. Deposition rates are typically lower than for other welding process. Lower ang quality sa stick welding kaysa kumpara sa uban na welding process. Requires more operator skill than many other processes. Is not suitable for metals that are reactive including titanium, columbium, and zirconium. May spatter and requires extra cleanup. Daghan sa mga spatters, kailangan siya i-limpyuhan dito para pindot tanawon. Low deposition rate compared to GMA or FCAW. Kamera siya great kumpara sa mga other na welding process. Filler metal cost per weld can be greater due to a low deposition efficiency that can vary greatly with stub length. Production factor is typically lower unless welding on various materials due to rod changes and shipping slag. Then needs more hand-eye coordination than GMAW or FCAW. Kailangan din siya tanawon din nimo. Slag must be removed compared to GTAW and GMAW. Unlike sa uban welding process na kailangan ang ilhang slag tantangon kay naman na ang ilahang agi kay kumpara sa SMAW kay ang slag makita nimo covered sa ihang agi mao tantangon jud nimo siya para makita nimo ang agi nimo kung nindot ba o pati. So mao to. Then next na nimo na ni siya ang mga exam, ang mga test na kailangan ninyong answer. So salamat.